Moving to another topic quickly. ASIC's response to as per ASIC's response to questions on notice, ASIC conducted an investigation involving a precious metals business in financial year 2022-2023. This was in response to a complaint regarding the company not holding the precious metals it was supposedly charging storage for. So the questions relate to that. Can ASIC describe what was the nature of the investigation? Was ASIC investigating whether the bullion was fake or was it missing? What was the purpose of your investigation?
So, Senator, that's right. As you say, ASIC has had a complaint. I think, as we've advised the committee previously, if I talk broadly in relation to gold bullion,
I avoided mentioning the company name, so that's fine.
Yeah. Sitting here today, I'm not sure if we've mentioned that company name publicly or not, Senator, but I'm certainly very familiar with the matter that you are referring to.
Let's assume we both know the name.
Yes. So we received a report of misconduct in relation to that company in April of last year, so 2022. We have been investigating that carefully. We've done a very thorough...
What was the aim of the investigation? Was it to investigate whether the bullion was fake or whether it was missing?
Well, at a high level, Senator, the aim of our investigation is to ascertain whether or not there's been a breach of the ASIC Act or the Corporations Act.
So it was both, was it?
Which is what we administered. In the course of that investigation, we did do, and I'm cautious about how much I say publicly, Senator, but we certainly took the allegations very seriously. We did ascertain the extent of the holdings, if I could put it in that broad term, to make sure...
How many clients it's got, how much gold it's supposed to have?
Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed, we did. And indeed, we... part of the reason that it has taken us some time to conclude that investigation, Senator, is because we have engaged experts in that area to do a physical check, if you like, to ascertain those holdings. So we had significant detailed complaint. We've taken that complaint very seriously. We have expended considerable resources on that investigation over the course of the last 18 months.
How much advance notice did ASIC provide the company before conducting a physical site inspection?
I'd have to take that on notice.
Okay, because I understand ASIC gave the company sufficient time so that it created an opportunity to alter its business affairs before a physical site inspection was allowed. In other words, move gold in.
Senator, as I say, I'll take that on notice, but I should put on the record I highly doubt that that is the case.
Okay, thank you. The complainant had reports that a large quantity of gold was moved into storage to perhaps make the books balance, a feat that was possible because of the long notice that was provided. Why didn't you just get a search warrant and turn up for a surprise check?
Senator Roberts, I dispute that characterisation of what's taken place.
Did you get a search warrant?
I'm not going to comment on our investigatory process in relation to a particular company, but of course we're very happy to give you a briefing, Senator.
If you could, and a timeline?
Yes, indeed. We can take that on notice, Senator.
Last question, Senator Roberts.
The company claims to have tens of thousands of storage clients, so I'd like to know, did you confirm that, the clients, as well as the amounts of physical amounts of gold that's supposed to be there, and why did ASIC use taxpayer money to test the authenticity of the physical bullion rather than charging the subject?
Senator, I will take all of those questions on notice. They do involve a particular investigation. We are conscious that a range of allegations have been made and continue to be made about this matter. As I said earlier, we have focused significant resources in getting to the bottom of these issues, and we will finalise our investigation shortly. I'm very happy to give you a briefing in relation to that and to take your questions on notice, Senator, but please be assured we have treated this with the utmost seriousness.
Okay, so if your office could contact my office to arrange a time for a briefing. We're going to be in Canberra quite a bit in the next couple of months.
Yes, indeed.
That'd be good.
We'll go
Bring a
through
timeline if
the
you can,
appropriate processes and do that, Senator. We'd be very pleased to assist you with that information.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Chair.
Thank you, Senator Roberts.